as we begin this lesson, it's going to be helpful to know that when you add 0 to a number, that number does not change, okay? So let's go to our next lesson in this booklet. And here it is right here, okay? So this is Class Fact Practice 44A, and you're just going to need a pencil, okay? Also, if you have your number line, you can use it as well. I'm sorry. So if you've got your number line handy, go ahead and pull that out. I'll put mine here too, okay? So let's start here. So if you're adding 0 to a number, that number doesn't change. So it makes the top row here fairly easy to do, okay? Because 1 plus 0 will equal 1. That's right. So write your 1, okay? 0 plus 9 is going to equal, you've got it, 9. Okay. 4 plus 0 is going to equal, perfect, 4. Okay, so anything, whatever is with 0, that number is not going to change. 5 plus 0, exactly, it's 5. So last one here, 0 plus 7, 7's paired with that 0 there, so you're going to have the 7, okay? So it does not change, okay? So let's go to the next one, adding 1, okay? So 2 plus 1, my finger's on the 2. I'm going to count over 1 space, and that takes me to the 3. So 2 plus 1 is 3, okay? 5 plus 1, start on the 5, okay? What's the next space up? 6. Okay, 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 plus 8, so you can start on the 1 and count over 8 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you'll see that 1 plus 1 equals 9. 1 plus 8, equals 9. The next one says 1 plus 1. So if you have 1 and you move over 1 space, you land on the 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. And then the next one is 4 plus 1. So start on the 4, move up 1 space is 5. Okay. 1 more than 4 is 5. Okay. The next one says 1 plus 7. Okay, start on the 1, count over 7 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and my finger lands on the number 8. So 1 plus 7 is 8. 3 plus 1, so I start on the 3, move over 1 space, and I stop on the 4. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 6. So I'm on the 1, that's where I'm starting, and I have to count over 6 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? So when I stop, I'm right on that 7 there. So 1 plus 6 is 7. 1 plus 9. My finger's still on the 1. I haven't even moved it. I'm going to count over 9 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I stop right there on the number 10. And they threw in a 0 right here, a 0 plus 1. So we know that I could show you right here if I'm on 0 and I move over 1 space, I land on the number 1. But also because the 1 and 0 are together, it will always, the number will not change, so 0 plus 1 is 1. Now down here we're doing doubles, so it's really helpful to have your number line to do the doubles. So the first one reads 4 plus 4. So 4 is right there. I'm going to move my finger over 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, and my finger lands on the number 8, so we know 4 plus 4 is 8. Write my 8 right there. Okay, now the next one's a bigger one, okay? So it's 8 plus 8. So my finger is underneath, I find the number 8, my finger's there. I mark that space. Now I have to count over 8 spaces, okay? So I'm going to count the dots underneath the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And my finger stops when I count over 8 spaces, and I see that 8 plus 8 is 16. So I'm going to write the 16. The 1 comes first. Then that's 6, okay? Okay, the next one reads 3 plus 3. So I'm on the 3. I'm going to move over 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. And my finger stops under the number 6. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay, let's go to the next one, 7 plus 7. So my finger's under the number 7. And I'm going to count over 7 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 plus 7 is 14. The 14 is the 1 and the 4. So the 1 comes first. 1, 4. And now we're down to the last one, 9 plus 9. Okay, so I've got, there's the number 9 right there, and I'm going to count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 plus 9 equals 18. That's where my finger landed, right there. And 18 is a 1 and an 8. So go ahead and put that on. Okay. We're all done with the math lesson for today. Give yourself your exit ticket. And remember that you need to put your number line away. You need to put your booklet. They're both the light blue. So it goes in this folder here. Okay. And then you can close that up. You'll be ready for our next lesson. Great job with your math today, boys and girls.